Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello world. I'm Amr Bakhadda, an Algeria from Tamaras. My GitHub username is Amrobak, and for the EDX username, my name is Amromil. I'm here to introduce you my final CS50x project. By the way, it's the 20 November of the year of 2024. And I'm here to introduce you my final project, Sate. Sate, what is Sate exactly? Sate is a web application, a social media platform where you can say whatever you want in anywhere at any time. And to start with it, we can get into the login section from the login route. Then you can log in if you have already an account. If you didn't, you have to register from this button here. Then you know what is just like the other registers in the world. You enter your email. Username must be a unique username that is didn't use it before. And for your password, you gotta enter it. Confirm it after you enter it and exit all of this stuff. Then for me, I got an account already. Let's get into it. Just like that. After you again, you get into your profile section. Here in the profile, you can share your posts, your saved posts, or we're gonna get into it later. And from here, from this bar, you can modify your profile by clicking it. Then you go to the modified section where you can choose another picture if you wanna modify your profile picture if you didn't like it, and it comes up absolutely with the default profile picture. And you can modify your name, your default bio. After you do all of this stuff, you can apply changes by hit the apply changes or cancel them by cancel the apply changes. Then you can comes out to your profile again. And here we are in our profile section where there is another button we don't talk about it yet, which is create new post. If you hit this button here, it takes you to a route to create new post where you're gonna say whatever you wanna say. For example, we're gonna say this is CS50. And here there is another two buttons, which is post if you want to post it and cancel if you want to cancel the posting. And for this example, we're gonna post it. Here we are in our profile again. We're gonna say our post, and this is it. This is CS50 by Amr Bahada, and there are zero likes for now. If you wanna add some likes, we're gonna hit the like button, and this is it. It's now one like. If you wanna unlike it, we can unlike it too. And this is if there is another users which are here in the application, they can like your post and you can like them post and all of this kind of stuff, just like the other social media platforms. And here we're going to say another sage properties, which is search for you for say or another user. If we hit this search box here and hit invalid, or it must be a valid username, because if you hit nothing, it's going to let you in your profile. And if you had something that didn't exist at all, just like this user here, it's going to get you back to your profile. You have to hit you have to enter a valid username to search for it. And here we are in the profile of the other user that we are searched for. His name is Mari. I don't know, it's just like a name I choose for another user. And here there is another properties, which is to follow the users or unfollow them. And for this user, I already follow him. If I hit the unfollow button, I unfollowed him, and the user followers get into the zero. And if I hit the follow button again, it's going to be one. And there is a trick here. If I unfollow him and come back to my profile, then I follow it 0% because it was one in the beginning, and now it's zero. And after that, we're gonna go back to the other user or other sayer in our example. And here you can see the other sayer profile. You can see them post, and you can unlike them post, just like as I mentioned before. They can like your post, and you can do it too. And here you can like them posts. You can see your see them bios, and this is just like a default user. I don't change anything on it. Just like as he created in the first time. His name is Mari, and this is the default bio that it comes with. Hi, I'm here to say something, and this is the default profile picture that I mentioned before. And for all of the other stuff, there is the logout section, the logout properties, which can log you out of your profile if you want to change your profile, or if you want to create a new user. We're gonna do it for the final thing in this project. We're gonna create a new user. Let's call it CS50. Let's call this one David for our teacher David Millen. And let's hit the password, a simple one. And here we're going to sign in again with this user. And there is David Millen with zero followers and zero followers. And he's here to say something. Our teacher is talking too much, but this is it. This is my safe final project, and this was CS50.